Republic Day is one of the most celebrated national festival of India. The whole nation comes together every year on January 26th to salute the sacrifices and struggles of freedom activists and those who participated in building India's constitution. Republic Day celebrates the complete freedom or Purna Swaraj of India from the British Empire, as it was the day when the Constitution of India came into force. India became sovereign, secular and democratic nation on January 26, 1950, and since then this auspicious day is celebrated every year as Republic Day. The Constitution of India guarantees fundamental rights to every citizen and gives them power to choose their own government by electing representatives through general elections. Republic Day represents the true spirit of independent India. Flag hosting ceremony, military parades, display of military equipments are the moments that the people of India cherish on every Republic Day. Besides all formal events, Republic Day makes every individual feel proud for being an Indian. The essence behind commemoration of Republic Day is not only to celebrate India's secularism and democracy, but also to make us feel proud of our culture, many languages, social norms, traditions, customs, religions, strong sense of community and individual distinctiveness that makes India a wonderful multicultural country. India is regarded as the next superpower in global terms, as a country which has displayed enormous capabilities and potential in field of economic development, science and technology, and international relations. India has it within her to become one of the most prosperous states of the world. Even so, there is no doubt that over the years, a sizable section of population has remained unaffected by the development that has taken place in the country. So let's just not do patriotic formalities and commit ourselves to race for a cause. Let's serve our nation, be the change maker, and build a nation where the mind is without fear. I am Shubham Nagotra and Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.